All cold sores herpes? Cold sores are actually little as well as sometimes excruciating blisters that happen all around your lips as well as face. These sores are actually triggered by the herpes simplex virus 1, HSV1. Herpes, cold sores are actually triggered by a strain of the herpes virus. Nevertheless, while cold sores belong to the herpes virus, herpes is actually not restricted to cold sores. There are actually several strains of herpes. Commonly speaking, genital herpes is actually triggered by HSV2 and is actually spread out through sexual contact. Although HSV1 is actually attributed to cold sores all around the mouth and HSV2 is actually attributed to genital sores, both viruses can easily trigger sores in either place on your body. A cold sore typically goes through a number of stages, tingling as well as itching. Lots of people feeling itchiness, burning, or even tingling all around the lips for a day or two prior to a tiny hard painful sore appears as well as blisters erupt. Blisters, little fluid-filled blisters generally erupt along the border of your lips. In some cases they seem all around the nose or even cheeks or even within the mouth. Oozing as well as crusting. The small blisters might combine and after that ruptured, leaving behind shallow open sores that ooze as well as crust over. Symptoms and signs differ, depending upon whether this is actually your first outbreak or a reoccurrence. The very first time you have a cold sore, signs might certainly not begin for as much as 20 days after you initially subjected to the virus. The sores can easily last a number of times, as well as the blisters can easily get 2 to 3 full weeks to recover totally. Recurrences typically appear at the exact very same area each time and also have a tendency to become much less severe compared to the first outbreak. In a first outbreak, you likewise may experience fever, painful gums, sore throat, headache, muscle aches, swollen lymph nodes. Kids under 5 years of ages might have cold sores inside their mouths and also the sores are typically mistaken for canker sores. Canker sores involve just the mucous membrane as well as may not be triggered due to the herpes simplex virus.
Thank you for watching. And please subscribe to my channel for my upcoming herpes treatment videos.